My name is Miriam Marchante. I work at Ørsted as wind farm specialist, and as part of the technical workshop, I'll be sharing the CREYAP session on the third day. The CREYAP stands for Comparison of Resource and Energy Yield Assessment Processes, and in this CREYAP exercise, participants will be provided by pre-construction wind data to estimate annual energy production of one of our existing wind farms. Later, DTU will benchmark the results from all these participants against the actual production from the existing wind farm. This session is interesting because we'll be addressing topics like blockage effects, internal wakes, external wakes, and many others. Last CREYAP exercise was run 6 years ago, and the industry has evolved a lot, and we would like with this new exercise to understand what is the picture, the actual picture of the wind resource topic and how much the industry has evolved, but also where the industry needs to focus in the coming years. I would like to invite participants from academia, from developers, from OEMs to take part of this CREYAP exercise and of course join the technical workshop where many of these conclusions will be presented and you will hear interesting developments on new topics that are relevant within the wind resource area. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in September at the workshop, so please join us.